Saya baru dapat ni semalam from Pedro. Let's do an unboxing. Bagi dalam dust bag. And it's so cantik gila. Ni macam appropriate for Raya. Dia remind me of Fendi Baguette or like Valentino like bag. Jom buka dia punya atasnya nak tengok. Boleh pakai dia as clutch. Or you boleh pegang dia top handle macam ni. Oh my god, I think this is really classy. Okay, dia ada macam diamond. And also it matches the thingy. Cantik lah, I really like it. Oh, dalam ada strap. You boleh pakai strap juga like crossbody. Ada mirror. And then you boleh letak your card here in this compartment. It's really spacious. Dalam dia putih, so you have to be careful with your makeup. Cantik gila. Seriously, I really like this bag. Kalau baju you royal blue, dark blue, baby blue pun cantik actually with this color. Yeah, really nice. Obviously, these are shoes. They're matching with the handbag. I suka gila anything pointed heel. Oh my god, I love it. Cantik gila. Usually kan orang letak sling bag dekat sini tau. So dia macam nanti you punya kaki macam terkeluar. But this one, I rasa dia macam secure gila. And I suka dia punya heel not too high, not too low. Oh, perfection. Matches the bag really, really nicely. Oh my god, this is cute gila, seriously. Oh my god, this is so cute. I don't have anything in this color. Cantik gila. I rasa color ni memang cantik kalau you color block. Okay, I tak pernah ada Pedro punya shoes. Tapi I rasa macam it is quite well made. Tepi ni semua ada satin lining. And yeah, it looks really, really nice. This material, they kind of like match this material, like a little bit like satin. So yeah.